Okay, in this video, we're going to be looking at consumption forecasting within the Kiveev platform. So currently I'm looking at a contract within the AM Kiveev demo company, and this contract's running 2022 to 2024. So we're viewing the period February 2022 to the end until October 24. We're viewing all sites and meters. So this forecast in the blue line up here is the consumption forecast for all meters within the contract that we're looking at. And we're looking at the May 2022.2 forecast, which is the live forecast as denoted by the blue live symbol here. If we drop this down, we can see the different iterations of forecast that we've built over time. We can also see the flash forecast. So the flash forecast for consumption and the flash budgets are effectively a running accrual. So where you have a live forecast, any actual known data since that consumption forecast was created will come into the flash. So the flash is what we know up until now, and then you'll use the live forecast moving out forward. So it's effectively a consumption accrual. And so obviously different versions sitting there, and we can set various different versions live. Now, if we wanted to take a look at this live forecast for May 2022, and we say, right, well, actually, we want to simulate something, so a change. So this blue line running through is the consumption forecast, and you can see here we've got a couple of dips in the forecasts that may not represent what we expect to happen from, say, November 23. So if we said we want to edit November 23, then we can find it within the table here. So we've got November 23. We've got no actual consumption yet because we haven't got there, and we're projecting 21.2 megawatt hours for November. So if we say that we want to edit, we've got options down here for editing. So a manual edit will turn green all the cells that we can edit. If we say rather than 21 megawatt hour, we want to make that 31. We'll immediately edit that on screen there. So we'll simulate what's going on, and then we can choose to save that and override it into the forecast, or we can reset and come back to what we previously had. In the same way, we can also do a volume drop. So we can say between the two date ranges that we've selected, we want to drop the consumption by a set amount. We can also say a percentage drop. So if you wanted to simulate, for example, from the 1st of February 2023 till the end of the contract, we're going to see a 50% drop in energy consumption due to a myriad of renewable projects, LED installs, and on-site generation, and maybe a couple of other projects which can get us down there. So if we run simulate, we should see from the beginning of April 2023, this line will drop significantly. So run simulate on there, and we can see that's come down there. We can then save that, update the forecast meter by meter, and then it will allow us to use that forecast moving forward. And this forecast will be what displays on all the dashboard screens for running analysis against, and also how we can alert against as well. When we're saying we've consumed X versus forecast, that's how we'll be doing it. So this will take a couple of minutes to do. So I will stop the video while you wait. Thank you very much for your time.